Follow these steps to fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. The very first thing you want to do is update your Instagram. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, you have to check permissions for Instagram app. To do that, launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option apps. From the list of the apps, find Instagram. Launch it. Make sure you have enabled for the option camera, likewise microphone. If you have already enabled it, disable it, wait for a few minutes and then again enable it. Next thing you have to do is give a fresh restart to your device and check your internet connection. For that, head back, navigate to the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgot this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. With all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. As a last resort, what you can do is completely delete Instagram and then reinstall it. For that, press and hold on it. Click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then launch your App Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.